Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I just want to discuss about how AI shaping our content creator world. And this is my standpoint, this is my viewpoint. You absolutely could disagree with my perspective, and then here we are. I have 3 or 4 points now about how AI is shaping us, and then this is my points. The first one, I believe AI is still only assistant, not replacement. So I don't see in any near future that AI could replace our works. But yes, AI indeed would be an assistant for us, and I use AI on my daily life, ChatGPT, and then Canva, and then everything. I think everything in front of my laptop, in front of my PC or Mac. I use AI as an assistant, not replacement of me, but as an assistant. So we could abuse this kind of assistant because it's really cheap, and we just pay really cheap amount of money. And once again, AI is only assistant, not replacement of human. That's what I. That's what my first thought. And then the second, my viewpoint is AI could time saving since AI do automate and then repetitive task. This one is really exhausting for us if we are using a no I'm not I mean, if we are doing tasks repetitively, like press a several times, thousand times, million times, creating formula several times on Google Sheet, on Excel, scripting on Python, the same script every day. That's repetitive, and then it could be saved by automate by AI. So it would time saving. So I believe AI success to as per now success to save our time. Really good. That's really good. Our assistant saving time, and then the third one I will say that AI is good, but they don't have emotion or human touch. I've heard that there are several AI could create music that's suitable for us. For instance, if I like jazz, for instance, and then if I input something on the prompt on the AI machine or engine, they will create jazz version that more likely I would be like on it. But I never try the tools. But actually, I believe even if they could doing that, however, I believe there are no human touch or no emotion on it. Mm, I don't have any evidence on it, but this is my thought. Once again, if you disagree with me, you could put on the comment below that what I thought is AI no emotion and then no human touch, that makes AI not so good if creating some musical, some artsy or artisan for content, and so on and so on. That's my third opinion. And then lastly, this is only the theory. I don't know what the truth is. Some people say that platform they prioritize the AI because if we upload on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, there are an option, the checkbox that they asking if is it AI or not. I don't know what the usage of that kind of input, but on the front end we never see that it's labeled that this is AI created. For Instagram, I think in the last 3 months they try to make it, but still several mini AI content I could see that no, there are no labeling about this is the AI created or auto generated by AI. So some people say platform they prioritize content that created by AI, but I never seen by myself. But for me, I believe with like the previous opinion, AI has no human touch, and there are a theory about the prioritizing on the algorithm of platform. So I suggest you still create video like me like this by human touch with AI in assistant, and then some time saving of you using the AI. So that's it, guys. That's my opinion about AI shaping our content creator world. Once again, if you disagree with me, you can comment on down below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye.